Today we're so excited because we are in Chinatown and we are going to be taking you on a food tour.
I feel like this is the vlog that Holly's been most looking forward to. There's a lot of preparation gone into this. It's going to be a great one, so come along with us. The area that we're going to be exploring today is called Chinatown, and Chinatown is literally right in the heart of central London. It is located just next to Leicester Square. Right now at the time of filming, it is a Monday and it is 11 o'clock, so Chinatown is absolutely dead. Normally this part of London is one of the busiest parts.
So we have 10 places that we've selected. Now we just have to decide where we're gonna start. Fried chicken? All right, the first place we're gonna head to is called Good Friend Chicken, and they are known for their popcorn chicken.
We got the popcorn chicken. Now they had a bunch of different spices that we could put on. They had like at least 15 different types of spices. We went with the garlic one and it smells so good. The chicken shop inside just smelled of fried chicken. Bit of a greasy smell, but it was so good. Let's try this. This is the first thing that we've eaten as well, so it should be good. If this is how things are gonna go for the rest of the food, it's gonna be amazing. The skin outside is super crunchy and it is super tasty. The chicken isn't too dry. Great shout.
Do you think we made the right choice by going with the garlic sauce?
Yeah.
They had what, seaweed, chili, plum.
I would have gone for chili, but I know Holly doesn't like spicy food, so we'll compromise.
Chloe said it's approved by her. I like these little sticks that they give you so that you could jab a piece of chicken. Popcorn chicken, one order is £6.50.
That popcorn chicken was really good. I'm finding it hard to believe that I'm going to have something better than that, but let's see.
We're on a mission though to try everything that we can in Chinatown today, so we're going to get bubble tea next. Okay, so there are some instructions on how you're supposed to drink it. So the first one is you're supposed to put the straw in at the very top part and drink the brown sugar with the cream. So yummy. You want to try it like this?
How is it?
Good. So good. Now you want to do the mixing?
So yeah, the mixing is that they said take the straw, put it all the way down, and turn it 18 times.
Are you going to count? And it says wait a few seconds. Yeah?
I've had boba tea a couple of times. Most of the time it's been alright. This, however, is fantastic. The brown sugar and the caramel with the bubbles.
Yeah, I'm not used to the boba at the bottom, but they're really, I've had this before when it was very chewy. These are very soft, sweet. This is perfect. So yummy. Okay, so the name of the place that we're at is Xing Fu Tang, and their signature boba milk tea is the best that I've ever had, so definitely come check them out.
Gotta say, the boba tea and the popcorn chicken have delivered. Going pretty good, but I think now we're gonna go for our one of the main courses that Holly's planned out, and it is sushi.
Yeah, so this place, this is my dream. I love sushi, and instead of having, you know, when they have rolls, you get 8 pieces, this is a giant roll. So it's kind of like a sushi burrito.
The name of the restaurant is Cha Cha Roll.
Okay, so at Cha Cha Roll, we got the soft shell crab. It comes with carrot, cucumber, tobacco, ground lettuce, and lalo rosso. And the cost is £7.30. This looks so good. And we sat right here so we could watch them make it. I'm so excited. So good. Super fresh. It's like the soft shell crab is warm, and then all the veggies are crisp and fresh and cold. I love this.
Pretty girthy. Lack of a better word. As a roll, this is amazing. As a burrito, it's even better, so top marks.
Okay, you have to go to Cha Cha if you like sushi. Their rolls are amazing. So fresh, so tasty. Definitely give it a try. So far things are going great in Chinatown. We've had a little appetizer with the chicken poppers, we've had some bubble tea, we had a sushi roll, and now we are going to Bun House to try a bun.
What happened?
Oh, so the Bun House is closed on Mondays, so we're not going to be able to try out a bun.
Not to worry, Holly's got a contingency plan. There's contingency plan B. We've got C, D, E, just in case. What's next, Captain?
Well, okay, to be honest with you, I think that's the end of like food, so I think it's dessert time.
Dessert time.
Next stop is going to be at Chinatown Bakery. We've walked past it several times. The smell coming from the bakery smells so good. Here we're going to try the Taiyaki, which are the little fish biscuits. If you come to this side of the bakery, which is at the back part, you can see them making the Taiyaki. So it's basically these little cute fish, and on the inside they're stuffed with either Nutella, red bean paste. I think this one might be vanilla.
Smooth. Smooth.
It's like dripping down my face. Yeah, it's like a vanilla custard. They're really good, really hot, very fresh, very tasty.
This is like a vanilla sponge cake in the shape of a fish.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah, it's like a nice little light snack.
You get 4 for £2.20, so I think that's a pretty good deal all in all.
Now we're going to go try some Japanese soufflé.
This is the thing I've been looking most forward to. I've seen videos of this on Instagram. Looks fantastic. Let's get it. The next place we've come to is a place called Hefaure. Not entirely sure how you pronounce it, but they specialize in soufflés, and we got it with my favorite combination of Nutella and strawberry, and it looks fantastic. So good. It's like eating a cloud with Nutella and strawberries on it. It's so soft.
So what this reminds me of is like kind of like a marshmallow texture. So it's very light, fluffy, soft. Nutella and strawberry. Can't go wrong with that combo.
That Japanese souffle with the Nutella and strawberry was absolutely amazing. We smashed it. The food was absolutely amazing. I think my favorite was the Japanese souffle. Yours?
Ooh, I can't decide. Everything honestly today was really good.